Take a ride in the 2019 Cadillac XT4. The Cadillac XT4 is a bold new crossover with functionality galore. Compact in size, but not in features, technology, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, power steering, seats heated driver and front passenger. Your new ride is just a phone call away.